Hi, today we're going to work on alphabet letter K. So somewhat similar to X, but it depends on which angle you use. It could be really dramatic. Right. Again, if you have a graph paper, it's always helpful. So how can we create small K? You can use 3 by 3. Let's use this. So you need a column on the side. And you can use the top and bottom. And it depends on which angle you go. It could be many different ways. So if I just follow these two, and then it could be K. So if you want to lower it to the center, and then it could be like that. So it depends on what. If you want to make this one longer, then you go out more, right? Okay. So 3 columns you can use, or 4 columns if you want to make it wider. So first we start with the horizon line. Eye level, and vanishing point 1, and vanishing point 2. So we'll put the line in the middle and start connecting the bottom corner to VP1 and top to VP1, and then go to another side and connect it to vanishing point 2. Right, now we're going to create a K on this side. We've been using the light source here, but today we're going to be using the light source coming from there. So, and we're going to create a K here. Okay. All right, now. No, I should have do this later. There's a reason. So we need to divide this into 3 parts, as we discussed. So here, first parts, to find the next proportional column, you need to create a middle point, and then find this center connected to vanishing point, and then this spot, you use that to create a line coming down, and then this is the next column. See, I shouldn't have this one created, it's a habit. And then again, you create a line there, and then there's a point, and you connect that, and then that will be the last column. So by doing that, you would reduce the column shape proportionally. Now, you have already created these lines, right? And what you can do is you can create a K like that if you want, right? Or find the middle point. So 3 centimeter, middle is 1.5. How about this part? So there are 3.4, so it should be there. All right. So if I go there, then I can have a more clear connection point, right? Just like what we did before, I like to put it in the middle part. Right? And then another middle part. Good. And then the middle part. So let's make it parallel. I feel like that looks better. And then rest of the part is connecting the bottom corner we just established and connect. And here, I often forget this one. And there. Alright, now let's see where we can cut. So let's cut about that much. So if I do that, what's going to happen is parallel to that, go up, parallel to that. This is a tricky part, right? You've got to make it parallel to that, right? And then this is the points that meets, and then that will be parallel to that line. Okay, well, let's see. I hope that's correct. They're connected to that, and then you have a K, right? So this will be gone, and inside. Yeah, and there's a K. And then since light is coming from here, this will be all 5 and 6. Again, make sure that you have a value chart. You can always create a value chart on separate paper, okay, or you can print this out. All right.